everyone, so I'm going to be doing a little bit of a different video. It's definitely not beauty related or anything, but I'm going to be kind of like looking back at my most viewed videos. I think I'm gonna do my top 5 most viewed videos. So I have a very extremely small YouTube channel. I have about 2,200 subscribers, give or take at the moment. So definitely a very, very small channel. And I have been doing this for almost 7 years now, I think. I started my channel in 2011. I had just finished like my junior year of high school when I started my YouTube channel. And I don't really know what drew me to like actually put myself out there and start making YouTube videos, because I'm such a shy, introverted person, you know, like in real life and stuff, which I don't think is that different from how I portray myself on my YouTube videos. But one of the things that has always mystified me throughout my 7 years on YouTube was just how some random videos will just get so many views. And I think with YouTube, it's just so, there's just so many people doing YouTube now, and then there's only so much time in the day that, you know, you're kind of like, get people to watch your videos instead of other people's videos or whatever. But it's just kind of like, it blows my mind when I look at my video analytics and I see like, wow, this video has so many stupid amount of views. I try not to like watch my videos after I've pretty much uploaded them. It's just kind of cringy and weird and awkward, and I feel weird, so this is gonna be really weird. Another thing that really strikes me as weird is that even though like as the years have gone on, I think quality wise, my, you know, audio, my video, everything has just like gotten better than obviously it was at the very beginning. But my top 5 videos are all from either the year 2012 or 2014. So I'm kind of surprised that like you'd think the better the quality, the more views it would get, but who even knows at this point with YouTube? It's just kind of like this weird algorithm of just a mess. It's a hot mess. So my number 5 most viewed video is titled e.l.f. Contour and Highlighter Review. So I used to do a whole bunch of videos like just like specific product reviews, which I still do. I don't know why this one video got as many views. This one has 30,000 views, 30,376 views at this moment. Even though like over the scheme of things, that's not a whole lot of views, but for a channel that only has, you know, 2,200 subscribers, that's amazing. That's crazy. I don't know why 30,000 people watch this video, but yeah, so let's see. Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a review of a concealer highlighter duo by e.l.f. and it is called the Under Eye Concealer and Highlighter. And it looks like this. I think this cost I think $3, and
I used to film this in my bedroom so you could still see like my old bedroom color and everything.
It looks like it comes in a little dual-ended packaging. It's got the concealer on one side and the highlighter on the other, and both of them have
I feel like I like look exactly the same, but I look different at the same time.
Say this is probably not one of my favorite concealers, and the first thing that kind of stuck out to me about this product is the packaging.
Well, it was a $3 highlighter. I mean, can you really be that surprised?
Good. But then again, you know, this didn't cost $3, so I'm honestly not
logical.
that surprised or, you know, really that pissed off or anything. It's cheap packaging. It's like the color on one side and the clear gloss on the other.
Yeah, e.l.f. used to like have a lot of super inexpensive products. I feel like they don't do that much anymore. I feel like their prices have really kind of crept up over the years, but they used to have so many products that were so good, and some that sucked as well.
Any kind of a lot of redness or anything, if it's more than just a little bit, this is not going to cut it at all. This is almost like...
Yeah, I remember I did not really like this concealer that much, so I'm really surprised that this got 30,000 views.
See, it's very almost water-like, and it... Honestly, if you don't have perfect skin, I don't think this concealer is going to do much for you. So here's swatches of...
Oh, really bad yellow swatches, like... It's like you can't even tell what color that was. That could have been like yellow paint and you wouldn't have known the difference. So a little thing about me watching YouTube, I watch like almost every YouTube video at like almost double speed, and I can get through a lot more YouTube videos that way. I
I just feel like I'm talking so slow. Oh my god, I could have made this like a 3-minute video. I still, like, I talk a lot and I'm very long-winded with explaining things, but that honestly could have been a 3-minute video and I could have been done. Okay, I am bored to death on that one. So that is my number 5 of my most viewed videos. That one was uploaded in 2012, I believe. No, 2014, my bad. So yeah, I don't know. Okay, so moving on to my number 4 most watched video. This is the Color Oops Review Artificial Hair Color Remover. So this one I uploaded in, I think, 2012. Yeah, so this one was, I think right before I was going to college was when I wanted to get rid of all the red hair and I wanted to go blonde. So this was like me trying to like get rid of the last of the red hair dye that I had, and so I thought I would do a review on this product to see if it worked. This video has 45,428 views. So again, I'm really surprised, but let's start. So yeah, started out with the before. You can see the red color, and then the after, how much it removed. I think it did an okay job, but
I don't know how apparent it will be in the video, but I have lightened my hair a bit. I've decided that I'm kind of tired of having red hair, and I've always kind of wanted to go blonde. Now, I'm not...
Yeah, I had red hair for probably 4 years maybe. I actually really miss the red hair though. I actually kind of miss it.
Watching my videos, you know that I had kind of like a really bright red hair. It was very kind of almost Little Mermaid red, but not exactly just
Little Mermaid red.
on top of like my naturally lighter hair. But to get my hair lighter,
and at least the red hair was a lot easier to maintain dyeing wise, because I didn't have to like bleach my hair or anything. I usually just kind of did like a burgundy red over my natural brown color, so that was really easy to do. But the color red fades so fast, and I could like never take like a hot shower.
So for me, and I watched a lot of reviews and kind of like tutorials on how they used it and such. And I was kind of honestly scared.
I remember watching this video.
I probably had this for a week and I just used it tonight. I was really scared because there was one video I saw in this girl and she had kind of a red, a little more pink tone.
I remember watching this video, and that was kind of what I guess like made me want to make this video, because I was like, well, if I ruin my hair, maybe I can at least get some YouTube views out of it. So
my hair is still very red toned. I think I'm gonna try some toners or something to maybe kind of...
The toners will not do anything on that color hair. I don't know what I was thinking. That was like baby Lauren.
Take it slow for a bit.
Okay, bored of that one. So I definitely think those definitely got some more views because they were like a specific product and people really kind of want to know how a product works before they buy it. I think especially if it's something like this, like a hair dye, they really kind of want to know what that's like before putting that on their hair. So I kind of get why this one got so many views, but I just think like, I don't know, it wasn't that good of a video, to be honest. So my number 3 most watched video, again, is another review. I think we kind of see this pattern that most of my review videos are what gets more views than like tutorials or hauls or, you know, other videos. So this video is titled John Frieda Hot Air Brush Review. So this one I uploaded in 2014, and this one has 47,237 views. So let's get started.
Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a review on a hairstyling tool, and it is...
I never wear bright lipstick like that. I guess I was just really feeling it.
Like this, and I talked about this briefly in my one of my last haul videos, and I have been using it for...
I remember I had like just gotten my hair cut in this video for the first time in like 2 years. So I guess I was like really feeling myself because my hair actually had like a little bit of like some shape to it. So I was actually like, I don't know, more inspired to style it.
But I got this from Target, and I was really interested in this because...
I still have this product. I really like it. I still use it. I like it a lot more when I have short hair than when I have long hair. It just doesn't do much for me, but I still have this and I still love it.
Try out. So first off, this has 2 heat settings and 1...
Oh my god, my hair and my hair looked so bad when I wake up.
Most hair dryers, because then you have to just hold it while you're doing your hair, and I like that this one, it's just a setting, so you can just press the little slider up to that setting and you don't have to worry about holding it. It's also a little bit quieter than a hair dryer. I'll have a clip doing my hair, and I'll have the difference. This, you know,
I don't know why, but in the lighting, it looks like the bottom part of my hair, like right here, it looks like it is straight up yellow. I know that it definitely is overall more of like a bleach kind of blonde here, but it was not as yellow as it looks in that video, I just have to say.
You know, when it's wet. The way my hair is cut now, I have to actually style it. Before, when I had long hair, I would, you know, I'd brush out the knots and straighten my bangs.
Oh, I definitely still agree with that. Like whenever my hair is like shorter and not just like super long, like this is like a medium length for me. When my hair is like long, I can just let it do whatever. When it's like short or anything, I have to style it. Otherwise it looks like just the absolute worst.
I styled it today and I used this.
Okay, so tired of that video. So yeah, that one, again, I can totally see why that one would get more views, because people are definitely not going to want to invest a whole lot of money into like a hair tool if they don't know if it's good or not. So yeah, I'm not actually surprised that one got so many views. So let's move on to the next one. So the second most viewed video on my channel is another review, surprise. This one is the Sally Hansen Gel Nail Kit review and application tutorial. So this one has 62,000 views, 62,613 views to be exact. This one I uploaded in 2012. Review on the Sally Hansen Gel Nail Kit. This is actually a really expensive product. I think it was about $64. I bought mine from Target. But the idea behind it is, I remember that my mom's friend, she needed someone to babysit their dog for like a week, and she gave me a Target gift card as like a thank you. So I remember that is how I had the money to buy this nail polish set. I was like so excited. I'm like, oh my god, I can buy something I really want now. So that's just kind of like a funny story. So this is what the box looks like, and I think they come in two different starter kits. This one has the, I still have this kit. I still really like it. The polish itself I didn't like, but I still have the lamp. I use that all the time. Definitely a really good product. So, you know, 6 years later, I'd still totally rate it as a really nice product. I can't stop looking at how bad my eyebrows are. Like, my eyebrows have always been really bad. I mean, like even now they're not great. I think they're better, but maybe in 5 years I'll look back on this video and say, what was I doing with my eyebrows? So I'm really happy about that. They feel really soft and slick, so you don't have like that really rough ridges on your nails. I remember it took like so much effort for me to try to like film that downward angle, because I didn't have like a tripod that would do that. Like I literally just had my camera like perched on some things very precariously. So yeah, I remember the struggle it took to film that video. And finally, moving on to my #1 most viewed video on my YouTube channel. Okay, so this one is titled How to DIY Remove Nail Polish Stains. This, I don't get why this has the most views on my channel. So this one has, let's see, 86,459 views. I remember I put so much effort into filming this, but I never thought that if you were to ask me, you know, out of all my videos on my channel, which one do I think would have the most views, I would have never in a million years guessed that it would have been this one, but alas it is. And this is such a short video as well. It's only 1 minute and 20 seconds. Maybe that's actually like why it has so many views, but I still use this method. It works great. Look at me putting my little background music.
In this DIY video, I will teach you how to remove stains from dark nail polishes. With fall time coming up, dark jewel tone nail polishes are always trendy, but a lot of time they
You can tell I like wrote out a little script beforehand whenever I was doing my voiceover.
already have at home. The first thing you need is a small bowl filled with warm water. Next, you need 2 tablespoons of baking soda.
Oh, the stains look so bad.
And stir until you get a cloudy mixture. Next, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to the mixture. Don't freak out, it'll fizz up when it mixes with the baking soda. Now just stir it up until the fizzing stops.
I like tried to make this look so professional, like I made like a little white box to like not have a background and stuff.
Use the baking soda paste from the bottom and gently massage it on the nail until the stain is removed. The baking soda has superfine granules that help to gently buff the nail, and the lemon juice is a natural bleach. Then rinse with water. Now you can see a before and after of how well this works. On the right nail you can see there is no trace of the stain. Just repeat this process for all your nails.
Oh, my stubby little nails.
If you guys enjoyed this video, and if so, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until my next video, I will talk to you guys later.
Oh my god, I still did that little outro, the same outro that I do now. I have like obviously changed it just a tiny bit. But yeah, so that one was uploaded in 2012. So yeah, those are my top 5 most watched videos on my YouTube channel. To be honest, it kind of really blows my mind that the top one is just like how to remove nail polish stains. I guess it's a very useful video and it was very like straight to the point, you know, no extra talking and things like that, so that made it very watchable. But yeah, those are my top 5 videos on my YouTube channel. Some of them I would have expected other videos to have more views than that, but YouTube is such a weird place. You never really know what's going to like really get a lot of views, and again, all of those are like nothing in the view counts compared to like other channels. But for me, only having like 2,200 subscribers, I think that that's a lot of views. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys found this like enjoyable in some way. Maybe go back and watch my old videos, maybe not, because the quality is not that great and my eyebrows were terrible. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.